Travel Lock Pouch pest control products let you store and use pesticides safely in short-term rentals without scaring guests or risking misuse. For Travel Lock Pouch pest control products, think of a compact, zippered bag with a combination lock, clear printed labels, and internal pockets that keeps pesticides, gloves, and disposal supplies together in one controlled spot. Set up each pouch with single-use bait stations, pre-measured gel baits, or small insect dust packets, each sealed in secondary bags with simple written instructions for where and how to place them. Always include personal protective equipment like disposable nitrile gloves, a basic mask, and paper towels, and clearly label each item with the pest target, active ingredient, and any re-entry time so a non-expert can follow safely. Use color-coded inner bags for different pests, such as one color for ants and another for cockroaches, and write the matching color on your treatment checklist so you can talk a cleaner or co-host through the steps over the phone. Attach a laminated instruction card on a ring inside the pouch that walks through preparation, application, guest notification when required by local rules, and cleanup, all in plain language with no technical shorthand. Finally, store the locked pouch in an owner closet or locked utility cabinet and treat it like a controlled tool, checked out by you or a trusted cleaner only when needed. 3 big issues tend to show up with travel pesticide pouches. First, people often throw loose products into the pouch without labels, so nobody remembers which bait is for which pest or how long it has been there, so the fix is to write the product name, target pest, and expiration date on each inner bag, and to toss anything that passes that date. Second, property managers sometimes skip personal protective equipment because they see the jobs as small, which leads to skin contact or spills. So always make it a rule that gloves go on before any pouch is opened, and replace used gloves and masks right after every service. Third, there is a habit of treating and forgetting, with no record of where bait stations were placed or when, and that can break local rules. So keep a simple inventory and usage log inside the pouch where you record today's date, the room, what you used, and when it should be checked or removed. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easier for homeowners to turn these kinds of careful pest control routines into real projects by finding local contractors who understand short-term rental needs. On our site, contractors can list pest control or property maintenance services, homeowners can contact them directly, and everyone can use our discussion community to share practical tips about safe storage, labeling, and disposal practices that work in busy rental properties.